Hey guys, Joe Balloon here, and it's snowing out. Right now it's in like the beginning of a soon-to-be horrible blizzard. There's not, as you can see, there's not much snow on the ground yet, but there's supposed to be about 2 feet once we're done with this. I don't want to be out here too long because my iPod will be wet and that will be bad, but so this is my driveway. I want to apologize, but I won't be making gaming videos till about March 12th. Well, I might be able to, but my computer is almost. We're gonna get rid of it in about a month, and my parents won't let me use their computer. But for my birthday, I'm hoping to get like a Mac. That'd be nice. Sorry, my finger was all over there. But it's a pretty gnarly storm. I mean, I'm off from school, and I hate school, and I like snow. Most people don't like snow, which is so stupid. I love it. Get to go skiing. But this sums it up. Goodbye.